So there's rain. It just started about 20 seconds ago, and it's already that wet inside my house. Or there's rain that happens like this for about, it's been raining for about 25 seconds now, if you can hear me. Yeah, that's 25 seconds of rain. I have to go get a towel now. But yeah, that's rain in the desert. 25 seconds after it starts. If you don't believe me, it's been raining now for approximately 5 minutes now. And as you can see, if you can see, that road isn't moving, it's a river. Yeah, so my road, the road in front of my house is now a river. See that? I don't know if you can really see that or not. Oh yeah, you can with the car driving through it. Oh, and it's not that far. That road only goes for about a quarter mile. So that is just the amount of rain that's fallen in 5 minutes. So yeah, that's a lot of fucking water. And they say we're in a water shortage. Don't know if this is gonna help, but I hope it will. Definitely water coming in like crazy. And what does it look like outside still? Just like that. It's not really that bad. It's fucking terrible.